Hey everyone, Lee Goldstein here for 10-minute trades, and my psychology got the best of me this week. Let me show you the trade I should have taken. Wow. Sometimes you let your thinking get in the way of your trading. Now, I was worried because I thought Chicago PMI was going to be a losing trade. For no reason, I was just worried. It was the psychology working against me. We were trading the gold futures. Watch what happens. The news was delayed. I canceled my trade and I turned off those little X's. And then the trade exploded to the upside. Watch. Now I would be in the trade making money, and it's going to keep going up. It's going to go up big time. Watch. It's going to keep going up, keep going up. That's me not making money. There it goes, explodes to the upside. Everyone that traded it made a lot of money. Now, this trade, remember, it's called Chicago PMI. At 9:42, the data releases privately to subscribers. Then at 9:45, it's a public report. I didn't trade that one either. Watch what happens. The report fills. The news comes out. It pushes gold to the upside. And watch gold. It's just going to keep going up and up and up, up and up. Here it goes up and up, up and up, up and up. You kept moving your target higher and higher, possibly making more and more money. Just a total disaster decision. The trade I should have taken. No reason not to take it. Chicago PMI. That's this week's report. That absolutely should have been traded. It was a great money maker. One of our members made over $400 on that trade. Lee Goldstein here for 10-minute trades. Don't let your mental psychology ruin your trades. Be strong, have faith. The system works. I'll see you on the inside, everyone.